So I'm going to attempt to replace a battery in this HTC One M8s. So taking normal pictures just fine. I'm currently at, yep, and it died. So wow, that was faster than I expected. So yeah, this is what it does. And now if I try to turn it on, it will say 1% and turn off again. Anyways, now that it's off, let's perceive the teardown. So this is not an easy phone to open as far as I know. Now I'm going to take out the SIM card tray and the SD card tray. Now we have to take all this silver tape off, and I'm going to use plastic tool for that. Okay, there is the battery connector. Let me show you up close. Hopefully it's in focus. I hate disconnecting these. I really do, because I don't know how to do it properly. Maybe it's easy. Oh crap. Take a look at this. I ripped this little connector. So I'm here after about an hour, and this is what I came up with. I soldered the coaxial cable directly to the motherboard, and I hope this is sufficient enough, because I just destroyed the connector. I already replaced the battery, so this is the new one. This is the old one. I'm going to very carefully put the motherboard back in place. And I guess the moment of truth. Will it power up? I'm kinda afraid to find out. Please. Yeah. Oh jeez. So let's see. Yeah, this is normal. It really takes a long time to boot up. Of course, no SD card. And just boot it up, and it's already pretty warm. This is the fatal flaw of this phone. That's why the battery dies, because this phone overheats. 45 degrees Celsius is the normal operating temperature for this phone. Okay, yeah, you just have to use force.
It's been a week since the first part of this video. I'm here after full day of use, and as you can see I have 15% left, so the battery time improved significantly. I'm getting maybe like 3 to 4 hours of screen on time, which is awesome. There are other things that I want to show you, like that battery discharge graph from the battery management app. Since phones are getting really good in performance nowadays, there's really no need to upgrade every year or even 2 years. So if you have a phone with that battery but the performance is still on par, you can definitely replace it and you'll be surprised how big of a difference it makes. That's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. I'll see you soon. Bye.